Speed limits vary from country to country. In the UK, all roads with street lights have a limit of 30 miles per hour. Speed matters because if you hit someone at 32 kilometers per hour, there is a 2.5% chance of the victim dying. This increases to 80% if someone was hit by a vehicle traveling at 60 kilometers per hour. Studies in the US show that speed restrictions reduce deaths by 16%. In fact, speed does not matter at all if you're traveling short distances. If you travel 8 kilometers at 60 kilometers per hour rather than 30 kilometers per hour, all you'll save is 8 minutes. Remember that speed limits are for a very good reason. Connected closely with speed are stopping distances. It takes 4 car lengths or 40 feet for a car to stop at 32 kilometers per hour. This increases 3 times to 120 feet by simply doubling the speed to 64 kilometers per hour. Whatever the speed, one needs to leave enough space between oneself and the car in front. But you can't use these figures practically while driving. Fortunately, there is an easier way. It's called the 2-second rule. Judging distances between moving vehicles is difficult. To use the 2-second rule, select a fixed point on the road, such as a pole, a signboard, a tree, or a bridge. When the car in front passes the fixed point, start counting your 2 seconds. Counting 2 seconds is easy if you say a phrase that lasts 2 seconds. Try saying, "Only a fool breaks the 2-second rule." Let's check if the car following this truck is at a safe distance. Only a fool breaks the 2-second rule. You could use another phrase, such as 1 2 ka 4, 4 2 ka 1. Here is another example. Only a fool breaks the 2-second rule. Or why not try one of our shlokas? Om Ganapati Namaha. Remember, if the gap is less than 2 seconds, you're tailgating. Here are 2 examples of tailgating. Tailgating is a bad habit because it can cause accidents. If the gap between you and the car in front is less than 2 seconds, slow down and drop back. In wet conditions, increase the gap to 4 seconds. Tailgating has other disadvantages. If you are too close, you restrict your vision drastically. Also, if you can't see his mirrors, he can't see you. Being too close means you're inhaling fumes of the car in front. Dealing with tailgaters is easy. First, drop your speed. Then, indicate left and pull up if required to let the tailgating vehicle pass you. If you have to stop for any reason, remember MSM. Check your mirrors. Touch your brake. This will automatically bring the red brake lights on. And then, gently brake to slow down and stop. In other words, avoid stopping suddenly unless it is a matter of life and death. And finally, don't meet aggression with aggression. Pedestrians need to be aware of stopping distances as well. When you approach a zebra, it may happen that the approaching car is too close and too fast to stop. As seen here, the pedestrian waits for the following car to stop.